hope y'all ain't seen no boogies up my nose and shit. Oh, I got one right there. I had to get that, y'all. It's me. It's just me today, y'all. Qwon's actually not here. He's out dining off. It's like I'm just playing. He coming.
Hey, baby. What's up, guys? I'm just visiting.
I told him he's out dining off. A busy guy.
I'm in the bed, y'all.
He's actually in the room creating some beats right now, watching some tutorials for real. So hopefully you guys will be able to catch that later on. I'm here giving you guys a head wrap tutorial. I'm a little nervous, y'all, because I never did nothing like this before. So yeah, y'all better take what y'all could take and be grateful. What was that? Because you could pull up and we could. What's good? It's like, before we get into this video though, we're going sage. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all 3 different types of wraps today. Like a wide one, a skinny one, and a tall one. Hold on. Got my good old Pinot Grigio. Drink responsibly, I'm 22. And I can take it to the head, yeah. This is like one of my very first scarves that I ever purchased for her. I actually bought it for my mom for like a gift. I took it from her because she wasn't wearing it. And I said, hey, I want to start wrapping my head for real. Especially like there was a point when I wasn't really like getting haircuts for real. I couldn't find a good barber for real. In Baltimore, like we have some pretty shitty barbers. So I just started wrapping my shit up, you know? Nothing to it but to do it. And they match my outfits. You can get you a nice colorful one, a yellow one, you know, a paisley one like this one. But yes, I'm about to get into this. So it's really simple to wrap your head. It's really like making a pretzel. So you want to start out with this little M bit right here on the front. Bring her back nice and tight, girl. If your eyebrows ain't snatched like this, you ain't doing it right. What's good? Say, what's good? It's like a little high speed chase. All right, then you want to bring it to the bed, cross it over. Make sure it's tucked behind your ears. Boom. Boom. Bring it to the front real nice and tight. Bring it to the front real nice and tight. Bring it to the front real nice and tight. Boom, boom. Ooh, yes. Then you wanna, jimmy the edges. Jimmy them real nice. Then you wanna do another cross. So bring this side right here, the left side, bring it under the right side. Like that. Bam. God damn, motherfucker. You wanna bring it back again. This part right here, I like to close my eyes for real and like feel around. So you wanna tuck it in the bed. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. But yeah, you about to have your first head wrap by Mug. God, what the fuck is good? We giving motherfucking motherland teas, baby. What's good? You just want to tuck the extra strings, because sometimes the scarves be having strings on them and shit. And you don't want that, you know, like it be that flyaway hair y'all ladies be having. Y'all be wanting to comb that shit down. That's all you gotta do is give it a nice little tuck. You don't need no bobby pins, no glue, you know, you just that. So the second look, we gonna do the skinny scarf, right? Skinny wrap. I need another drink. Alright, what scarf should I do? What scarf should I do, y'all? The gray or the white? The gray or the white. I might show y'all both. Ooh. Alright, so this one, sometimes you might get like a scarf that's really big that you have to like, you know, fold in half. But this one you don't. We giving Hail Mary full of grace. It's like, no shade, y'all. This ain't no blasphemy. So you gonna do the same thing, bring her tight. Ooh, you really wanna try to get like a thinner scarf to get the skinny look. And this is definitely a much thinner scarf than that paisley scarf. So yeah, you gonna bring it again. Left side under the right side. Make sure she's nice and tight. I don't do too much tucking, but this the only tucking I did. It's so hard. Sometimes you might have to do your look over again though, just to achieve like the best look. It's not gonna always be perfect because it's just a wrap. The imperfections of it do look cool sometimes, so just keep that in mind. Alright, so this one right here is gonna be the high one. I call this the body look. Some people take a second scarf or even a pair of like socks or underwear for real. Since I don't have no hair, I'm a bald head, a little scatter red. Bald head, skittle, little, ain't got no hair in the middle. Now to achieve the body look, I'm gonna take me a pair of underwear, little briefs. They're clean. And then I'm gonna put this on top of my head. Then I'm gonna do the same technique. Give it the tuck, tight pull, wrap around, left side, under, right, over. Tuck, tuck, tuck it up, 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 tuck it up. So, you've achieved the mastery level. And she gonna stay right in place. So you can do all this dumb crazy shit you want. Ride it tonight. You know, all that shit you want. You can hit the whoa. Look, we all good. We all good. Only time we pull up though is your man gonna come pull her up for me. But yeah, that's all I got to show y'all to the best of my ability. I might do another one and perfect it a little bit. You know, this is my first time. Give me a round of applause, please, please. And a toast to improving, yeah. If y'all want to, y'all can rate this video. Let me know how I did. Let me know if y'all want to see another one. I don't give a fuck if y'all put a bad rating. Make sure y'all keep y'all peace and share the love. And I'm out.